Hello YouTubers, my name is Charlie Ads and thank you for watching my channel. I probably have 5 minutes to show you how to create or make a patch cable for yourself. If you need internet or to transfer any files between your computer and any other device, this is absolutely the tutorial that you're looking for. So number one thing, you're going to need RJ45 connectors. These are called RJ45 connectors. You can have as many as you want, but you only need 2 because just one cable. So that's it. You need Ethernet cable. This is how it looks like. I'll be able to strip and see how it looks like on the inside, but for now this is how it looks like. This is the size, and it can be, this is a Cat6 cable. If you see, yeah, this is Cat6, but you can have Cat5e or Cat5, whatever you want to have. So that's how it looks like. Okay, and in whatever length you can have. And lastly, all you need is one tool, and that's called a crimping tool. That is the most important tool that you need to have for this tutorial. So let's get started. Okay, so you're going to have to determine the length of cable that you want depending on where your distance is. But for now, I'm just going to use a 1.5 meter probably, or 2 meters, because that's all I need. So you're going to have to strip. This has a blade. You have to look at it carefully. It has a blade, but you need to strip and remove this outer covering for this cable. But you need to be very, very careful not to cut the cable that is the inside. So let's do that very smoothly. Yes, if it is sharp enough, it should not take you long. So there we go. Boom. Okay, so once we have that cut, there is now an inner covering. Normally there is the one that has a thread, but if it doesn't have, then it's okay. You just have to remove this inner cover because you still don't need it. It's just to make sure that it does not mix up. There you go. Now the most important part, you just need to separate these twisted pairs. They are in pairs of primary colors mostly. It's green, blue, brown, and orange. And each of them has the light version of the other. So after removing the twist, I'll show you what to do next. This is the part that is most important now. So I'm going to have to arrange this in color combinations of white, orange, orange, right? White, green, blue, followed by blue, followed by white, blue, followed by green, then followed by white, brown, then followed by brown. So this is all that you need to know right now, literally. This is all that makes sense. Yeah, the rest is very easy, but if you get this wrong, you get the entire setup wrong. So make sure they're straight. Yeah, okay, like this. They are very straight. White, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, and white, brown, brown. So once you have them like this, make sure you have enough length that you need. Again, this is a simple termination. I'm not making anything complicated. Hold them firm and come and cut a length. Normally you just want to determine if it's going to be able to fit in here, and definitely it's going to fit for my case. So just go ahead and cut. Now when you cut, you realize this has front and back side. So all you need is put it on the front, the back part, because this is the front to me. Okay, this would be the back part. So the back part has to face the other way around. Just need to enter these. Make sure they enter very well. Okay. So once they are in, you're just going to have to get a crimping tool. This side, outside, this is the inside. So you enter this part and hold it firm, and you're gonna go ahead and press. All right, all the way in. There you go. All the way in. And there we are. So yeah, that is firm. All right, so you're going to do the same for another side. So here we are. I'm going to do this other side as well. Be the same procedure.